If you want to know how to fix a snapshot code C14A, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we can try to open our snapshot, and as you can see, everything is working as for me, so I can easily use it. But you won't be able to use it because of some suspicious activity or something like this. And in order to fix this problem, we just simply need to close the app. We won't use it for some minutes, and we need to open App Store or Google Play first, and here search for Snapchat. So we need to find Snapchat right up here. Make sure that you have the latest version, because sometimes if you have like update button, you won't be able to use it because of the not the latest version basically. So you can reach some problems while you are logging, like trying to log in. And the next thing we need to check after we updated our app, we need to open our settings and here scroll down to find a Snapchat. So on the Android, the navigation could be a little bit different. So we need to find a Snapchat right up here and make sure that feature which is called background app refresh is turned on. After that, we need to go back and then just scroll to the upside to find general and then go to iPhone storage. Now we need to manage some stuff with Snapchat. It may take a little time until all this storage will be uploaded and processed. We need to wait maybe 5 to 10 seconds, depends on your data amount on your mobile device. So try to find it by yourself on the Android. So then everything is done. We need just simply open our Snapchat settings. Nothing hard, just simply scroll down to find Snapchat. And as you can see, we have two options here, delete app or offload. And we need to click on offload. After that, all the data will be automatically placed on our device, but the app will be deleted. And we need to reinstall it. So we'll have a button which says reinstall instead of offload, and you need to reinstall it. After that, probably your Snapchat will be automatically fixed. And this is a way of how can you do this on your device. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace.